sinasabi ni Direk sa akin na this is the best performance.
Okay, may naman na kay Direk.
Pero why do you think he said that?
Because he loves me. And, well, to be fair, MJ, binigay ko naman talaga. I mean, lahat ng kaya mong ibigay, binigay ko. I really access and channel every emotion I could channel. And I'm happy si Direk kasi syempre sobrang collaborative effort naman ng paggawa ng isang pelikula. So as long as he's happy, I'm happy, and I'm kampante.
Right. Pero you've done so many dramas in the past. What made this different?
Well, for me naman po, you're only as good as your last word. So every time I do something new, I always wanna step it up. I always wanna do better. I always wanna hopefully show something different. And hopefully with this one, I don't know, siguro very nakarelate din po ako sa character. Or I really saw myself in Sunny. And I really put myself in her shoes. Kaya din siguro sinasabi ng direct na iba yung binigay ko dito. I don't really know how or why. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen the film, not even few clips he didn't allow me to watch. Yeah, I hope it translates to screen and that also other people notice.
You look so fabulous na. Anong sikreto? Anong diet? Anong
Wala
regimen?
naman secret. It's just the usual workout. I would really attribute it all to working out.
Okay.
I work out really hard. Like, if I could live in the gym, I probably would. Like, 5 times
You're in
a
that
day.
phase.
Yes, in my fitness era. I'm in
Yeah.
my fitness era. It's so cool because once I learned how to love working out, taking care of myself, or living in this fitness era, talagang in-embrace ko siya. And because I see results, mas ginaganahan din ako syempre and all of that. And, you know, I do all the high maintenance things to stay low maintenance. I get my nails done, get myself pampered. I do all of that para matuloy ang kagandahan.
Parang pareho kayo ni KD. Si KD nakikita ko rin marami rin workout.
I think, in a way, na-inspire na namin isa't isa to stay healthy, to stay fit. And siya din, naging mahilig siya. Even on nutrition, he's really good with the calories and with reading the labels. He's really good at that and he helps me with that. So pareho kaming sobrang enjoy na namin mag-workout and mag-gym. So yeah, just living a healthier life.
Naniniwala ka bang works out together, stays together?
Of course, why not?
Kanina parang maraming na-intriga dun sa sagot mo na parang what you and KD had is beyond showbiz. So parang, is that a confirmation na kayo na ni KD?
No, not really. I guess I just want people to know na it's not fan service in any way. Although there's nothing wrong naman with doing fan service, it comes with the job sometimes. But I'm very lucky kasi I think KD and I have achieved peace. And I'm at peace sa life and all. So, kaya ako nasabi na what we have is more than for showbiz. Kasi even if we quit or we go our separate ways sa career, that doesn't mean na hindi na kami usap or anything. The bond is still there and will always be.
Thanks, Alexa. Salamat.
Thank you.
Alexa,
Ganda.
ang dami mong ginawa ngayon this year. You've done a teleserye, tapos movie, and then PBB as a host. So, kumusta yung pag-ano mo doon? Especially experience mo as a host.
Alam mo.
Yung ano mo tawag ito? Paano mo ano yung experience mo sa pagiging host?
Oh, it's been really fun. Sobrang bago pa siya sa akin. So, I have so much to learn pa. Which I'm very grateful for kasi kasama ko sila Kuya Robbie and Ate Bianca. So I'm with the best. And I'm really learning a lot every week. And exciting kasi hosting, talagang I'm on my toes, I'm on my feet all the time. Natututo akong makinig and to banter and to, you know what to say on the spot. So it's really a fun experience. Pero syempre, mas ang first love ko talaga will always be acting and singing.
And you keep improving naman pagdating sa host, sa pag-host. Pero Alexa, kasi naging controversial yung PBB these past few weeks. Ano masasabi mo dun sa nangyari? Aware ka ba doon, parang update ka ba dun sa nangyari dun sa ilang housemates about sa selosan issue?
No, I'm sorry. Selosan?
About Piang and JM.
nakikita ko lang siya sometimes when I don't really read na po kasi online masyado. And when I'm there every Saturday, mas doon binibrief na lang ako ng mabilisan or recap. Or sometimes, madami rin, like I have other work commitments din kasi during the weekdays. So, hindi rin ako able na tumutok talaga. But I'm aware of some stuff, but not that so.
Pero since sabi sa online show nyo, nagbabasa ka ng mga comments, paano mo inaano yung pag nakakabasa ka ng mga negative comment na masyadong hurtful?
I don't read it. I don't think it's necessary to be read out loud. Thank you po. Thank you.
Alexa, nakakatuwa, di ba? Nakasar ka tulad ni Rupa May Quinto, na talaga naman tinitingala. Oo, na talagang super puri ka, di ba? Nakakatuwa. Ako, I always hear naman talaga na you're really, really nice. Oh. Pero alam ko, minana mo yan sa mga ilakad. Kasi ang mga ilakad talaga, grabe ang kabaitan ng pagiging PR. Pero yun, pag ganyan napupuri ka, Alexa, anong napipil mo na at least, di ba? Yung iba kasi, may pag-ex na, pero ikaw, talagang grabe yung pulis.
Siyempre, yung kinikilig talaga ako. Masaya ako kasi yung kabutihan na pinapakita ko sa iba, yun din po yung nakabalik sa akin. Kaya po ganun. Kaya siguro, thankfully na po kasi yung pinapakita ko po, yung totoo ako naman, hindi ko naman mo pinaplastic or sinasadyang gawin yun. Ganun lang talaga ako. Yun din po yung nakabalik sa akin.
Ang bongga. Pero Alexa, kailan ang premiere na?
October 8 po.
Yeah. Meron ka bang isang darating? May isa ka bang iimbitahan? Kasi may isang premiere night before dumating ka. Darating din ba siya dito sa premiere night nito? Supportado niya ba yung movie nito?
Oo, pati lahat ng black screening pupunta siya.
Sino siya? Ikaw na magbanggit.
Alam niyo naman po eh.
Si KD,
Yes,
Oo. Nakakatuwa, no? Kahit hindi kayo magkasama sa isang project, you always support yung isa't isa.
Because what we have is not just for work.
Ay, naku, baka ibang maging
Sana all.
Baka isipin nila na kaya grabe ang support yung isa't isa na talagang kayo na.
Hindi naman po sa ganun, pero yung bond na na-build namin, hindi lang siya yung pang-showbiz, hindi lang siya sa proximity ng show business. Kumbaga, kahit di na kami mag-artista po bukas, nandun pa rin yung bond na na-build namin.
Pero yan, ako, congratulations kasi yung mga iba, pag kayo magka-lab team, pag hindi sila magkasama, hindi nila sinusupport o pinopromote, di ba? Pero ang saya na si KD nagpo-promote din yan yung movie niyo, Andrea United.
Sobrang saya pa. I'm very thankful. Sobrang thankful. Hindi ko pa nga natanggap tong movie na to. Nagkwento ko pa lang, siya na yung #1 fan na sigurado na siyang maganda to, na gagalingan ko talaga. Kung ano yung minsan assurance na wala ako, or yung belief sa sarili, siya yung nagbibigay nun, nagsusupply.
At least, for sure, isusupport ko ng KD next pa. So, yeah, ngayon pa lang, congratulations.
Thank you, Sir John.
Yeah, thank you. We love you. You're always nice, Alexa, kaya we love you.
Thank you.
We support you. Thank you, MJ.
Thank you,